Welcome to Limits and Derivative MathMaster. This app is easy to use, user-friendly, and supports multiple languages. Are you ready to make math easier and fun? Let's master limits and derivatives together with an interactive and exciting experience. Let's start calculating some high-ranked derivatives and get some cool results step by step. For example, let's calculate the second derivative of x raised to the power of n. After clicking the equals button, you will see the results step by step, along with the rules used for each calculation. Let's dive in and explore derivatives together. Now let's switch to limits and calculate the arctangent function as x approaches positive infinity. Get ready to see the result quickly and understand how the function behaves at infinity. Great job so far. It's time to take your learning to the next level. Let's explore an in-depth course on limits, where you'll find detailed explanations, step-by-step demonstrations, and interactive graphs to visualize key concepts. Along the way, you'll encounter mini exercises designed to reinforce your understanding and help you apply what you've learned. After mastering the course, you can test your knowledge with exciting quizzes on limits and derivatives to truly become a math expert. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step, providing explanations and feedback to make your learning experience smooth and enjoyable. Get ready to dive into the world of calculus and enhance your skills like never before. To make the experience even more enjoyable, our app features a sleek dark mode, perfect for OLED screens, reducing eye strain while making math more immersive. Discover the power of learning with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Download now and enjoy mastering mathematics. Thank you for choosing our app. Let's make learning fun.